This video is part 2 of the Warner Brothers Ranch studio tour. Please check out part 1. Everything you see in this video will be soon demolished. Memories are things in our life that will keep us going. Today will be one of those days I will never forget for the rest of my life. Make memories. I don't even know how to start this video right now because this is an epic vlog. You won't believe where I am. I'm at the Warner Brother Ranch and used to called Columbia Ranch, I think. And this is the Lethal Weapon house. I made it onto the lot. It's unbelievable. Welcome to the Warner Brothers Studios. When I was young and saw Gremlins for the first time, I didn't even know they're filming it in a lot. I thought it was a real house they use. But that's what it is, the Gremlin house. The oldest house standing, 2812. It looks really like an abandoned house. I have no idea if they filmed Gremlins in here or not. All different wallpaper. I mean, nothing is real. It looks so big from the outside. It's just half a house. This is how big the house is. It looks big from outside. It would be nice to live here with all the characters living in the houses. And you meet them on the street. Hey, what's up? What's up? They having their lunch break, walking around. I saw a nerd location, Scott on Tape and Adam the Who filming here, and I never thought that I'm gonna walk around here too. I didn't know anybody, so that was just randomly that the guy texted me and invited me to come here. Thank you. So I think they're gonna tear this down in October from what I heard. Kind of looks like houses in New York. Wow. Also really small house. They just used the front facade. There's really nothing there. I guess this is the area where they have all those plans when they shoot something to block the buildings in the back or something in the front. Here you can see that the Gremlin house is only half a house. See, they say they don't do any tours and stuff, but how do all those people get on the lot here? I have no idea. Looks like a street in New York. See the apartment buildings. Yeah, not much to see here. If you would be allowed to film here, to do your own little movie here, streets of New York. But of course, they're gonna put all different stuff in the windows. Pretty detailed stuff though. Look at this one here, has a balcony. Like I said, from the Omega Man. Oh, that looks nice. Walk in here. Wow, you can film some cool stuff in here. Nice set. You know what they call those? Fleur-de-lis. Done many henna tattoos of those. Is that real brick? No, wait. Everything is shaking. And look how huge this place is. I think this used to be the hospital from what I read before. This is really huge. You can hang on the lights from up here. This is probably the entrance. This place is pretty big. When you walk here, it says cellar 10 to 12. Looks like a kind of like underground cellar for wine or whatever. You would think that those doors are closed, but they're not. Everything is open for you to walk in. I mean, not for me, but when they film here. I like those old signs here. Looks like a Spanish style set. Everything is written in Spanish here. This house looks like Dean Martin's house in Palm Springs. So we're gonna walk towards where they filmed Animal Kingdom.
This is from the show Animal Kingdom. This is where you see the police cars come in, all the people come in, all the cars come in. Smurf and her kids are here. It's kind of a semi-dysfunctional family, crime family slash surfer family slash. There's a lot of ugliness and a lot of cool stuff that goes on it, but it's a cool show. Which was on for 6th season, but I can't believe it's not in the hills. It's here.
It's here, and they have a pool area too, you said, right?
Full practical set.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. Looks like a hotel in Vegas here. Nice. I'm gonna bring my sleeping bag here. Look, they got a grill here. Nice parties you can celebrate here.
I can't tell you how many episodes this house was in. This is an actual full functioning set and practical house. It's amazing.
Everything works in here. Electricity, water, everything. The door's actually open. Let's walk in.
Wow, it even smells new.
Yeah.
Hardwood floors.
Wow.
It's like a little maze in here.
Wow. Look at this. The bathroom. You can take a shower. Toilet. Functional house here. Animal Kingdom.
Everything in here you can actually use.
This time we got a real chimney. Nice. Real wood, concrete. A movie set.
Plumbing, everything. They were gonna make this into an office for some big actor or whatever. And
Okay.
but he ended up denying it last minute.
Look at the kitchen here.
See? Fridge is still working.
Fridge is working.
Fridge, ice, freezer.
So they're making an office for the actors, huh?
Yeah, they were.
Man, this place is huge. You can get lost in here. Holy moly. Kind of like a jacuzzi. That could also be for like a reality show. Big Brother. Look at this. This is a secret door here. Brings you to the basketball court.
Yeah, secret door, closet.
What? Secret closet. Look at this on wheels. Unreal. Look at this. Even the water works here. A real apartment complex with the pool, and nobody's using it. Look, there's a surfboard here, and soon all this is gonna be demolished too. I mean, what a waste.
Yeah, well, that's show business.
This is where they all designed the sets here. They stole all the stuff.
Sets from productions. Yeah. Fake walls. Reminds me of
Fake walls. Holy moly, this is the old Warner Brother sign used in the commercial when the frog was dancing around it. Look at all those lights in there. They're gonna save that for sure. Nice. I love all the neon, even the trash cans here with the graffiti on it. Oh, here are more movie props. The cow, the horse. They got some ice machines in here. Vending machines. Are they real? Yeah, I guess.
Look at that angel up there. Fry, 1932 to 1970. I don't know. Oh wow. Look at those. They got all the graveyard here, the whole graveyard. All the tombstones. Jackson. Man, what movies were they filmed? Look at the praying angel. Thompson. Garcia. All plastic. Wow, this is pretty dope. Loving Daughter. I don't recognize any names in any movies. I wish they had the Marty McFly here, but it's off not a Universal lot, so it can't be Marty McFly. Look at all the trees. Scary. Wow, this tombstone looks awesome. Those are all the different stages, 32, 33, 35. And here it actually says what they filmed here. Features, television shows. The Waltons' Wedding, 1950. The Client, Knots Landing. Free Willy was filmed in here. Batman and Robin, Father's Day, stage 34. It's called The Barn, the prop house. It's almost like a Salvation Army here. They got ATMs, music boxes. Wow, look at this. Got a whole Pac-Man machine. What? Cigarette machine. This is unbelievable. Look at this music box here. Take me home tonight. No records in though. Jukebox.
They're actually common.
Stoves, every different year, old ones, new ones. Holy moly. Something you don't want to be in too quick.
No. Check this out. Look at the glass coffin back here. Watch your fingers.
What are they using this for here?
These are all just for productions. Whenever somebody needs a coffin, there you go.
A glass coffin. Check this out.
No, it's not the pipes that are hot. It's just the lights.
It's just a metal building. It's gonna be hot.
Ah, that's where we all gonna be ending up in. Pretty scary to see. Those are real ones too. It says on each item, the last time it was rented. It's all inventory. This one actually still have records in there. Do you love me? All kinds of ATMs. Look at this old stove. Man. Are you kidding me? This is the fridge I actually have at home. Exactly the same one. Look at this. I got this one at home. Same one. Oh, check out those old refrigerators here. Nice.
Look, I even have stuff engraved. Eggs, bottles.
I like the pink one here. General Electric. Man, popcorn machine. Stage 31. Fast Forward. Batman Forever. Growing Pains. Living Single, The Middle. Private Benjamin. All those were filmed here. The Return of Captain Nemo. Stage 32, Lethal Weapon, National Lampoon Christmas Vacation. So they filmed it all in here. The Last Boy Scout, Lethal Weapon 3, Maverick, Batman Forever, Demolition Man with Sylvester Stallone, Under Siege. What's his name? Can't think of his name now. Body of Evidence, The Middle. It is not Warner Brothers, it's Warner Brother. Stage 30, Interview with the Vampire, Tom Cruise. License to Wed, The Reaping, Wild Wild West, Divine Madness. Wow. Body of Evidence. Will Smith in Wild Wild West. That wasn't a good movie. This is what a sound stage looked like. There's nothing in it. It's so super quiet in here. And action! No echo.
99% soundproof. You don't hear the traffic noise. There's literally a street right outside here.
All this gonna be demolished in October. Sad. This is where they filmed Lethal Weapon 2 and Christmas Vacation, right in here. Nothing really to see, but it's good to know. Cook County Courthouse in Illinois, whatever that was used for. The whole courthouse on this.
Yeah, this is a writing on.
Wow, the light is on in this one here. Batman Forever. Would love to see.
Look at the inside of here.
Would love to see when they were actually filming it in here, what they do. It's hard to imagine right now if you just see the walls here, but it's air conditioned, it's nice and cool in here. It is super cool to be in here and see all this, but you know what would be cooler? If I would do a movie, be on a movie set and I'm the star of the movie filming in here, that would be even better. But we're not gonna talk about this. Stage 32, soon to be erased from existence. An old bus stop sign. This is definitely the best tour ever, and I also want to say thank you very much, Warner Brothers, to allow us to be here today. Thank you. Warner Brothers Stage 33, Under Siege 2, Client, Knots Landing. See this one, you can scream. It doesn't absorb any sound here. This bus here is from Dexter and it's supposed to play in Florida. I think this is a Florida transit bus, but it all filmed here in California. Nothing special, just a regular bus. Let's go for a ride here. I feel like on speed with Keanu Reeves here, driving down the 405. So let's check out the Bewitched house. Oh, yeah, wow, it looks really nice here when you walk in. Look at this. And then you turn to the right, nothing. I don't know if I said it already, the boat was here. There's literally nobody at the ranch anymore. We are the only people here. So this is the middle house. Let's check it out. Nice wallpaper. I mean, they all pretty much look the same from the inside.
Maybe I can do something about it.
He wants to check out the garage. It works.
Just a garage. Just a garage.
Even all those trees have to go. They've been here for years and years. There's no way they can save those. It would cost too much money, I guess. Look how huge this tree got. This is the house from American Beauty. In the garage here, it's kind of like a setup for makeup, I believe. Inside the American Beauty house, it's just storage for stuff. Air conditioned stuff. That's it, they use it for storage. This is inside the garage. It could be a car dealership, could be like a repair shop. They might put some green screen in the back so they film out here. But this is the garage. Used in Monster Squad too. And well, you see here, used to be a garage, maybe a gas station. Used in the middle. Monster Squad, even gremlins. And it could be a gas station, service store. Right where entrance 11 is the animation building where they do all the animation. Can't film it enough. All the action that happened right here on the front lawn. Police cars, hundreds of takes. Well, my friends, that was it. Everything has an end. It was awesome right here on the Warner Brother Ranch. Absolutely incredible. If you happen to like this video,
Give it a thumbs up.
Push the notification button and subscribe to German in Venice.
you heard it. And we out. See you guys later. Tschüssing.